firstly very well.
I call the honourable member for Capricornia.
Thank you, Deputy Speaker. Excuse me. I wish to take this opportunity to talk about an important project in my electorate of Capricornia, which will deliver a much-needed hospice service in central Queensland. I visited Fitzroy Community Hospice with the member for Riverina last weekend, and it was fantastic to meet with the board to hear more about their plans. The hospice intends to provide end-of-life and respite care on-site in a 12-bed facility. Many Australians prefer to be cared for and die comfortably at home. Unfortunately, whilst 70% of people say this is their preference, less than 10% of Australians die at home each year. A key component of the service will be community outreach care by palliative care nurses. This will support and enable patients to stay at home if this is their wish. Holistic support services include bereavement support will be provided for patients, families and carers. It is envisaged that all services will be free of charge and will be available to people of all ages with an advanced life-limiting condition, not just those with cancer. Deputy Speaker, more access to palliative care and health improvements for the region is something I have been fighting for a long time. Access to community-based palliative care is limited in the central Queensland region, and all 8 hospices in our state are in south-east Queensland. All Australians deserve to get the highest quality care in their own community. For the people of central Queensland, the prospect of a new hospice means patients have more opportunities to receive the best possible care and be close to their family. When the hospice is up and running, I'm sure the staff at the Fitzroy Community Hospice will support and guide patients and their families through the most difficult of times and ensure each and every person is treated with dignity and grace. Deputy Speaker, I commend the Fitzroy Community Hospice Board and all their efforts in seeing this project come to fruition. It was also wonderful to visit the Yeppoon Aquatic Centre with the member for Riverina on his visit to Capricornia. I fought hard for the Yeppoon Aquatic Centre to receive federal funding in this year's budget, and I was very fortunate to announce they will be receiving $13 million to upgrade the centre back in May. The upgrades include a 50-metre 10-lane competition pool, a new amenities and administration area, a new health and wellness centre, a new community hall, disability access facilities, and new entry pathways and additional on-site car parking. Upgrades to a facility like the Yeppoon Aquatic Centre are so vital for young families, schools and the community. This is the same facility where many children, including my daughters, learn to swim, and that tradition will continue for future generations. As the Capricorn Coast community continues to grow, this complex will further set the region up to foster future swimming talent from the local area. Thank you.